everyone! Welcome to our advocacy vlog about Mind Matters. I am Rafael Endolos Reyes.
And I'm Remeros B. Valiente.
And I'm Bea Clarice Cumlao. We're grade 12 ABM students and our advocacy focuses on promoting mental health awareness.
In our first vlog, we talk about why mental health is so important and how it affects students like us every day. This time, we'll give you updates about what we've done and what we've learned in our campaign.
Since our first vlog, we've continued promoting Mind Matters through different activities. We've posted mental health reminders, self-care tips, and positive quotes on our social media pages.
We also encourage our classmates to join short discussion about managing stress, especially exam or busy weeks.
It's been inspiring to see our classmates share our posts and comment about how it helped them feel understood and supported.
One of the things we did was create a mind break corner in our classroom where anyone can take a few minutes to relax, breathe, or clear their mind.
We also started using hashtags like hashtag Mind Matters and hashtag Mental Health Awareness so more people could join our online campaign.
Through a small action like this, we're slowly helping others realize that it's okay to talk about mental health and that everyone deserves to feel heard and cared for. Through this campaign, I've learned that even a small act of kindness like listening to someone can make a big difference in their mental well-being.
I learned that not everyone shows their struggles, so being patient and understanding really matters.
And I realized that raising awareness is not just about talking, it's about showing empathy and supporting people in real ways.
Social media plays a big role in creating social change. It lets us reach people who may be afraid to speak out about their struggles.
By sharing encouraging thoughts through stories and useful tips, we can break the stigma around mental health and remind others that it's okay to seek help.
If we all use social media to spread positivity, we can build an online community that's kind, supportive, and understanding.
As we end this vlog, we hope you remember to take care of yourself, not just physically, but mentally too.
It's okay to rest, to talk about how you feel, and ask for help when you need it.
Together, we can break the stigma and build a world where mental health is valued and understood.
This is Mind Matters, reminding you stay kind, stay strong, and take care of your mind.
Nice.
Dapat marunong tayong bumitaw dahil mas okay na maging malungkot ngayon kesa magdusa sa panghabang buhay na kasama siya. Ang taong never kang minahal sa taong hindi ka kayang ipaglaban.
Gulong-gulo, lagi na lang nabibigo, ngunit ikaw pa rin sigaw ng puso.